Here I have Huawei Honor 20i, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off running apps on this device. So if you have a lot of opened apps on your device, they will eventually cause your device to work slowly. So what you can do about it is to open this recent section. Here you can see all of these opened apps that will eat out your device memory and cause it to work slowly. So what you can do about it is to close them all by tapping this button, and after that your phone is now in optimal condition. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.